both gold and silver trying to trade bullish but at critical resistance zones at 1840 and 1651. Now what can be expected, whether we can buy from here or it is going to drop, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe is missing on. The profits. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. The second video for the day. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Now these are the hourly charts. Gold is trying to reverse from 1640 levels, and if you look at this, see, this is the consolidation zone, and after this we have seen it dropping a little. Now look at this. Here is the high 1655 levels. You should wait and watch out for. Only if it trades above 1655, that's a good buy for gold, and you can expect 1660, which is definitely going to prove out to be a stronger support. And if it breaks past 1660, you can still expect 1660 1671. See, these are the levels we are tracking since long, and again the same levels will exist. So buy at 1655, expect 1660, 1665, 1671, 1674 and then 1678, 80 levels. If it trades above 1680, certainly more bullishness can be seen. So do wait and watch out for those levels. At the same time, on the downside, now look at this. On the downside, you'll definitely see 1650 as a stronger support, but look at these trades here. You'll find 1645 has also created a base here, and since then it is trying to trade with the bullishness. Higher lows are getting created, and see, it is trying to give you this. Yes, if you see it trading below 1645, again you can sell there. So in between 1645 and 1655, do not take any position. That is very clear. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge here. Stochastic is overbought on the hourly charts. The MACD has just crossed over, and see, it is crossed over at lows on the hourly charts. You can find out it was trading at -6, and now it is trying to trade moderately bullish. Probably it may continue with this bullish momentum for a little while, or maybe sideways at max. Yes, it can try to pull it little up before it tries to drop, and hence yes, you can see little bullishness there. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, with the support at 1645, it is trying to rise. We can expect 1655, 1658, 1660. See, there are resistances still there, and yes, once it breaks down beyond this zone at 1655, yes, once it breaks out beyond 1655, certainly more bullishness can be seen till towards 1658, 1660 zone, and breaking 1660, more bullishness will be seen there. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic rising from the bottom, continuing to pull it upwards. The MACD here trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, this is the first stronger green candle. I will wait for the next candle too. This candle closes in next 30 minutes. Probably it will try to pull it back again on the upside and try to achieve 1660, 1662 zone. See, there are larger, stronger resistances till 1671 levels. Beyond that only we can confirm that it is trying to trade more bullish, and then 1680, 85. Beyond that you can confirm that it is reversed. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic bouncing back from the oversold zone, trying to pull it upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move. RSI rising on the upwards. It is showing some strength there. And on the 4-hour charts too. On the 4-hour charts, it appears here is the stronger resistance zone at 1660, 1664 zone. So yes, in between these levels you have to be extra alert. Yes, you can stay long. Probably it may try to achieve these levels, and from there, specifically beyond 1671, we can expect more bullishness. So this I will wait and watch out for. Right now it appears with the stop loss at 1645, you can stay long. Expect 1655 to get achieved, 1660 to get achieved, 1655, 1658, 1660, 1662, 64. Till there it is going to get very strong resistances at every interval. Very nearby, very strong resistances, and very nearby. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic was oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD bearish, trying to converge. RSI trying to bounce back on the upside. Now look at the daily charts here. Now on the daily charts, higher lows are seen. You have to sell only below 1645. If you see it trading below 1645, sell there, expect 1640, and below that it will go with strong bearish momentum, and then you can expect it to drop till towards 1630, 1620 levels. Till the time it trades above 1645, you can expect that we are looking forward to little more bullishness. 1655, 1661, 62 and 1671, this is going to be the toughest resistance for it to break past by. Only and only if it trades beyond this zone at 1670, 75, you can confirm that it is trying to act bullish. Still 1680, 85 zone again will come into picture. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is oversold here looking downwards. The MACD is on the sell here. You can see it is trading with divergence. It is trading bearish. RSI trading flat near to bottom. So it appears that on 4-hour, 3-hour charts, maybe we can see little more rise towards the US cash session, and then probably a little drop from there. See, 1671 levels definitely I think are going to be toughest resistance, probably at 1660, 1664 zone, the first stronger resistance zone, and then 1670, 175, the next stronger resistance zone. I don't think so that it is going to break, but if it does, then strong bullishness can be expected in gold. Also, yes, below 1645 you can remain short. Below 1645 you can expect 1640, and then 1630 1632, and then below that we are looking forward to another round of good drop for 1624, 18, 15 and below levels. So take your positions accordingly. Probably I will expect a rise beyond 1645, you can 55 you can buy and expect it to rise for 1658, 1660, 1662, 64, 71, and then beyond that it will fly. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of reading charts, taking right positions and taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts on 7th of November. Be a part of it. Definitely the strategies taught which are applicable across indices, commodities, forex, definitely it will help you become profitable and proficient trader. First invest in your learning and then reap the profits for the lifetime. Also, you can be part of my signals group where just you can trade as per the signals. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID and my email ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you just want to support the effort which I am putting here on day-to-day basis for you all, you can become a patron. As yes, you can thank me also by using the super thank feature here on YouTube. Now look at the hourly charts on silver. You will find trading extremely bullish. Yes, it is trying to come back till towards this zone. This is going to be a critical resistance zone, 1850, 1860. These two numbers we are definitely tracking. Beyond 1840, 1840 is definitely a stronger resistance, and it is trying to trade above this. It may try to achieve 1850 and 1860. These two numbers you should definitely watch out for. Also look at this. Here you will find that the step is created, and yes, if you expect that even if it tries to retrace, 1825 levels are definitely the stronger resistance. So sell below 1825 and you can expect it to drop more. Only below 1825 you should take a sell entry. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought on the early charts. The MACD has crossed over, and it is crossed over from extreme lows out here. Hence, you can expect that it may try to continue with little bullishness for a little while before it tries to drop, and hence 1860, 1880 levels cannot be denied. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, similarly you will find, now see this, 1825 and 1830, yes, with that as support it is trying to rise, and this is left a stronger tail behind. Probably it may try to achieve 1850, and only if it breaks beyond 1850 you can expect 1860 zone. Yes, you can sell there at 1830, but then expect 1825 as the major support, and only below 1825 the bearishness will kick in. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic was oversold, trying to bounce back up. The MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a bullish move. And if you look at the RSI, this is rising up, this is looking upwards, indicating little bullishness, little strength. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, see, this rise is done probably, and it may try to consolidate a bit. Definitely 1850 and 1860 are the levels which are going to prove out to be stronger resistance, and then above that 1870, 1880 till 1880 should not, silver should not be considered as bullish. Yes, only it breaks past 1880, consider that as a bullish move, else it can try to reverse any point of time. Here at 1850 itself it can try to reverse, 1845 itself it can try to reverse. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic rising from the bottom oversold zones. The MACD is bearish still, it is trying to converge here. RSI looking upwards, And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. This is the first, you can say, stronger green candle. Yes, you can sell here at 1830 itself. Below that 1825 the major support, 1820 is the next support. Only below 1820 you can expect further more bearishness where it can try to trade with a bearish position. Else it is looking forward to see, you can find out 1880 till 1880, 1885 zone should not be considered bullish. Yes, it can try to achieve this zone before it tries to drop a little. The directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic bouncing back from the oversold zone, the MACD trying to converge, the RSI bouncing back from the oversold zone here. Now look at the daily charts. After, you can find, see, it is also appearing to be providing higher lows, and hence yes, here you can expect a little rise. 1850 the next resistance zone, and then beyond that we can expect 1860, 1870, 1880. Till 1880 it has got larger resistance, only above which you can expect that it is going to fly high. 1900, 1920 levels, the next resistance zone should prove out to be stronger resistance. Directional movement divergent bearish, stochastic trading oversold here, and it does not mean that it cannot continue with this bearish momentum. It can. MACD has crossed over, and this is crossed over on the sell side also. Yes, it is trying to trade, it may try to remain below sub-zero levels and try to trade bearish. RSI at bottom trying to trade comfortable there, trying to trade flat there. So for the day, do not think of selling anything till the time it trades at above 1830. At 1830 you can sell silver, expect 1825, 1820 and below levels. At the same time, above 1850 you can buy and expect 1860, 1870, 1880 levels to give it a very strong resistance. And in fact 1890, 1900 will be there as a very strong resistance. Beyond 1900 you can expect it to fly for 1920, 1940, 1950 levels. Till the time it trades below this, you can expect it to reverse or retrace again on the downside. Hence, buy at 1850, sell at 1830. Do not trade for this 20 cents. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals group. Become a pattern. Give me super thanks. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.